So the first one that I'm going to use is this. So this is the Unicorn Essence. It's a skin enhancing antioxidant serum, and you need to use this before you apply your moisturizer. So I'm using this to prep my base today. I am just going to take a few drops of this really beautiful, good looking serum and apply that all over my face. So this has really tiny subtle particles that shimmer, so they're really light reflecting. So once it catches the light, it reflects and makes your skin very dewy. It's very lightweight, it does not really smell of anything, and gets absorbed on the skin very easily. So it gives this very nice dewy sort of a finish to your look. You can even use this as a highlighter at the end of your makeup, or you can mix like a few drops with powder highlighter and make it pop even more. Next, I am going to use the Skintune Blur. This is a perfecting prime serum. So this you can use all over your face before using your foundation. The texture of this is very milky, very creamy, and this is what it looks like. So you can use this all over your face to prime, and this helps in the foundation gliding onto your skin very smoothly. Again, gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. I'm also going to take a little bit onto the eyes, and you can use this as an eye primer too. And I'm going to tap a little bit underneath my eyes. Don't forget the neck. And that's it to prep my base today. I am going to go ahead and do my makeup. I'm actually heading to a party, so I thought this was the perfect time to show you guys what I like to do to prep my base. And I really wanted to try the Farsali with you guys. So I've gone ahead and done my makeup, and right now I am going to use the Farsali Unicorn Essence as a highlighter. I've already added some powder highlighter and I want to intensify that. So I'm going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand like so. Just 2 drops is more than enough, and I am going to pat it like this and then place it right where I want the dewiness. I'm also going to take it right here, and as you can tell, it has really intensified and gave that really nice non-powdery, glowy, dewy look. So yeah, that's how I like to use these 2 products. And let me know if you've tried any one of the Farsali products yourself. They are now finally available in Nykaa. I am going to link them down below in the description box as well, so that you guys can find them easily. And let me know what you guys think about the products in the comments down below as well. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.